everyone, this is me, Real Newbie. I am trying the newest Don't Jump in Bees sound. I'm on Philippines, but I actually like English. I like starting the English since I was a child. Since I was it. And here, you cannot jump. I keep pressing, but it cannot work. See? But let's go to the end. Like and subscribe first so we can. Yeah, I'm actually at the Philippines. That guy's a new. Bro, she's a new. Bro, it's easy, bro. What? Bro, it's easy. What's going on? Bro, it's easy. Let's go downstairs. Do you guys know this? Let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe so I can give you guys some fruits on Grow Card. Bro, what's that? Bro, it's easy. Bro, what the hell? So, bro, how did I die? Bro, what? It's so easy, bro. Okay, I think I speak too much. Let's go to the red one. Bro, I forgot this game. I used to play this game, but not anymore. Bro, it's easy, bro. It's just a straight line. What are they doing? Bro, it's easy, bro. Even a child can do this. Bro, it's easy, bro. Bro, you just have to follow this blue thingy thing. Oh, I need yellow. Bro, what in the hell? Bro, this is so easy, bro. What? Bro, it's so What? Oh, let's go, bro. Oh no, oh no, oh no, I thought this doesn't move. Let's go. Ouch. Oh no, oh no. Bro, even a child can do this. Bro, who made this game? Bro, how did I die in the easiest game? controlling us. Or what? Do you guys hear that? Brother is just listening to the music.
Ay, ano kung araw pa yung ano yun ah? Bakit pupunta ka doon? O, hindi pala eh. Ito yung turon. Ano yan ka natanong sa ano eh? Eh, pag-grupo ko eh. Kailangan. Tapos?
Bro, how many steps does it have?
Oh, ano gagawin mo dyan?
Oh,
Ano ba? Oh. Pagkain pa ito ng ano eh, oh.